Okay, here I go. I'm entering my neighborhood. Whoop, whoop. For those that don't live in snow like our friends in Houston, I thought I would share. Also for my students that may not live in snowland, to see what this is like. This is our neighborhood. We don't know who, but somebody came through and actually plowed the streets and amazingly plowed everybody's driveway. Yikes. What a nice guy, whoever did this, to plow the actual driveways. All right, I better turn it off because I got to try to get up here without losing control.